Hi all, this is MathDOC. Let's start sketching quadratic functions level 2. See the function y equal ax squared plus bx plus c we call, that is the general form of a quadratic function. The same function we can express in the form a x plus b square plus c pattern by using complete square method. Here there are three terms. Here also we can see three terms. Here x square and here x to the power 1 and here constant. But here we can see only one variable x. Then here x square pattern variation and here x to the power 1 pattern variation. But here x to the power 1, but there all thing to the power 2 there. Same expression but the form different. Let's see first. Point number 1. When a greater than 0, the function its shape minimum. When a less than 0, its shape maximum. Need to remember it. A means the leading coefficient. Then you need to check the sign of the leading coefficient. And the point 2, point number 2, here there's perfect square term. Then within that bracket x plus b there, x plus b. You consider x plus b equals 0, then we get x equals minus b. We say this is symmetrical axis. Then point number 3, when x equals minus b, that means this perfect square is 0, then the corresponding value is c. Then y equal to c. Therefore we say x value minus b corresponding y value c is the vertex. Here when x equals minus b, y value is c, then the vertex is minus b, comma c. Now let's see a few examples. Consider a function y equal x minus 1 squared plus 2. Here x-axis, here y-axis. Here x minus 1 squared. Then when x equals 1, corresponding y value is 2. Then 1 comma 2 is the vertex. You mark it 1, 2. Here this point is the vertex. Now see here, the leading term positive. Therefore this point will be minimum. If a is positive, it is minimum shape. Here the graph. Then you can obtain y-intercept by substituting x equals 0 to the function. When x value 0, we obtain y-intercept. Now when x equals 0, minus 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. That is y-intercept. Let's sketch another one. Y equal x minus 2 square minus 3. Same order. Let's start sketching. Here x-axis, y-axis. The purpose square term equal to 0 now. When x equals 2, this part will disappear. Then remaining y value minus 3. Then the point 2 comma minus 3 is the vertex. Mark it. Here point 2 and here minus 3. Now check the leading term. The sign is positive here. Then minimum shape. Then here minimum shape. And when x equals 0 here, minus 2 square is 4, minus 3 is 1. Therefore, function passing through the point 1. Here 1. We will complete the parabolic shape passing through 1. That is the graph. Then let's do another example. Y equal minus x plus 1 square plus 2. Let's start. Here x-axis, y-axis. When x equals minus 1, this purpose square will disappear. X equals minus 1, corresponding y value is 2. When x equals minus 1, this term will disappear. Then y value is 2. Then the vertex minus 1, comma 2. Here it is. Now here the sign is negative. Then we know when a less than 0, that means negative, the shape is maximum. This point will be the maximum point. And when x equals 0, here 1 squared 1 into minus 1 minus plus 2. It is 1. No? Then passing through point 1 to complete parabolic shape. Another example. Y equal minus x minus 3 squared plus 1. That also in the same order. Let's start sketching. Here x-axis, y-axis. First see the purpose square term. It is x minus 3 square. You get x equals 3, then that term will disappear. Then corresponding y value is 1. Then x equals 3, this term will disappear, y value is 1. Mark it. Here 3 and 1. Here the point. Now see here, the leading term is negative. If it is negative, it has maximum shape. You get maximum here. Then complete parabolic shape. And further, when x equals 0, y value minus 3 square 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Here the graph. Then here y-intercept will be minus 8. And let's see the summary. Y equal ax squared plus bx plus c is the general form of quadratic function. By using complete square method, we can convert that into a into x plus b squared plus c type. When the leading term is positive, the shape is minimum. When the leading term is negative, the shape is maximum. This is parabolic shape. The symmetrical axis can be obtained by equating the purpose square term to 0. Then x equals minus b is the symmetrical axis. Then corresponding y value will be the maximum or minimum. That is c. Then first find the vertex then see the leading term coefficient, then sketch the function. And important thing, when you find in y-intercept, substitute x equals 0 to the function. Those are the things about sketching quadratic function in the form a times x plus b squared plus c. Thank you for watching us, MathDOC.